Welcome to Unbox Funding. If you're an entrepreneur or business owner, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top free funding opportunities worldwide, completely free. Stay tuned to discover how to fuel your business growth without spending a dime. Number 1, the Catalyst Fund. This fund provides grants ranging from $2,500 to $15,000. For individuals anywhere in the world who have early-stage ideas or projects aimed at addressing pressing global challenges. Whether you're tackling climate change, health disparities, or any other global issue, the Catalyst Fund could help you get started. Next up, Cesium Ecosystem Grants.
These grants are available to early-stage startups, educators, innovators, and students who are contributing to the growth of the Cesium ecosystem. The great news? This grant is open year-round, making it accessible whenever you're ready. The application process is simple and available on their official website. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more insights on funding, entrepreneurship, and business success. Drop a comment if you have any questions or need more tips, and I'll be happy to help.